So we must avoid that in 2023. I have no idea. How many polling units are you going to serve from here? This going to be a super
Record now.
inside here. Then what about other parts of town?
It's
It's just a rack. Okay, but the staff will stay the night in the rack, even if it's not a super rack. So how many racks do you have here?
We have one rack here in this place, but we have 10 racks in the whole of Lokoja.
Okay, the last time there were issues here about securing the place for movement at first light on Saturday to the polling units. We must provide that. We must.
Sorry.
If it's security, we must liaise with the security agencies to ensure the place is well protected for that purpose. So which classrooms are you going to use for the racks?
Classrooms on that side.
Are they in school, in session?
Schools are in session now, but we're talking with the
So let's go and see one of them. So at the end of the day, we will take a picture and upload on the INEC. So that by 2:30, 3 o'clock, we should see it. That's the idea. So by doing so, we'll be testing the integrity of the system. How many have accredited? Four. Okay, and others in the because it's either or. But so far, no failure.
No failure.
Okay. So thank you very much.
Sometimes if it is tight, you sleep. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Sir. How you doing? Yes.